This is what I drink during the cold season. I have here grated ginger and 2 sliced lemons added in water. So I'm gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I can filter it off and drink. Honestly, it helps me clear my throat and it suits my stomach. Honestly, this is my Bible affirmation during this cold period. Everything is just like slowing down. I have to remind myself and my family that Jesus still cares for us during this cold period. And yeah, I am changing my tripod stand. The one I got the last time I showed you guys, is faulty now. So I went on Amazon and I got this 62 inches long tripod stand. Honestly, you can control it however you want. It takes the iPad and also the phone. You can rotate your phone into landscape position or portrait position, and you can also fold it down in this size. So lovelies, because my temperature where I live, the region where I live, the temperature could go as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how we dress in layers. We dress up in layers if you really want to combat the cold. I have this warm sweater. It is so warm. It keeps me warm inside. And this boots, it is just perfect to keep my feet warm all day long. Honestly, lovelies, my hands also have to be covered away from the biting cold. And my heart, irrespective of the fact that you have hair on your head, you still have to wear a hat because the cold gets into your scalp. And obviously, you need a scarf just to cover your neck and to keep you warm. And here is my life during the winter.